Thokozani bakagogo, hope you good. Bantu abadala, ukuya ngami, I would be assisting each and every one of you. And I would be ngizobe nginisiza nginganikhokhisi. Uyabo, kodwa ngeshwa nangebhadi. Idlozi enginalo alisavumi. Gimina, I'm seeing it as doing something good, something noble. But ekupheleni kosuku kulimala mina noma bashaya mina ukuthi cha asikwazi ukuthi sikuphe isiphiwo esazi ukuthi sizokuphilisa noma esaziyo ngaso ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi uphakamise umsebenzi wethu uvuse imizi njengoba sakukhetha bese wena ungayivusi leyo mizi ithi mase sithi kuwena entombazana awusihlabele in noma awusinikeze in noma awusenzele okuthize bese wena uyafika ukuthi cha abantu abadala ngikwazi uphahle lapha ngikhala nginamali bese bafike bathi cha unamali njani ngoba sikunikile bese ngithi yiphi imali ngoba mina ngiyibona bese bathi kodwa bangibonise bonke abantu engibahlolile ngibabone nabo ukuthi ene vele lo ngamhlola ngiyakhumbula ngathi kuye lo ngathi kuye ngiyabona ngiyayiphinda leyo nto ngiyayiphinda bese bathi inayi imali sakunikeza wena wa decide ukusebenzela amadlozi wabanye abantu bangakukhanyiseli abanye babo baphumelela abanye babo babusiseka kodwa wena thina akukho esikutholile. And with that being said, ngiyangicela abantu abadala going forward akekho umuntu engizomhlolela mahala, akekho umuntu engizomupha umuthi angawukhanyiselanga kwayena, akekho umuntu engizomlapha angakhanyisanga, akekho umuntu engizomhlaziyela amaphupho angakhanyisanga. Ayikho into edlozi nje engizoyenzela ngithi be it i-advice for the fact ukuthi ufuna advice, meaning you want some sort of mentorship or me to guide you in the right direction, angeke ngisaphinde. I will direct you on how I will be able to assist you. I will give out my details ukuthi okay cha mawufuna mina ngikuncede this is how we're gonna go about it. Uyayithatha noma awuyithathi inkinga akuseyami. Uyaresponda after that or you don't respond inkinga akuseyami. Ngalihluphekela ledlozi mina I went through a lot. We understand, and kwamina akekho umuntu wangenzela into edlozi ngingakhanyisanga kwamina. If I were to let you know, or futhi ke mina ke even if umuntu athi cha ngizokuyenzela ungakhokhi cha, I would insist ukuthi cha awukwazi ngoba in the back of my mind nganginaleyo nto ukuthi umuntu makangenzela if angikhanyisanga idlozi lakhe ngelwa, so nganginaleyo nto ukuthi no vele like nganginaleyo nto ukuthi ukukhanyisa kubalekile. So I would not allow umuntu angenzele into yedlozi ngingakhanyisanga. We understand? So going forward bantu abadala ngicela sisebenzisaneni kahle, elasiphilisane kahle, cela sihloniphaneni. Uma WhatsApp ungathi hi angisumngani wakho, ungathi hello angisumngani wakho, uyazi ukuthi uzofunani la, uyazi futhi uze kubani la. The only person magathi hi I'm expecting ukuthi it's a cousin that I don't know, got my numbers wherever. It's my colleague that uyabo umngane wama se primary wathola amanamba ami now uyabona, then I would expect a hi. But if umntana edlozi you know exactly, and uma ungibulisa remember awubulisi mina kodwa usukukokota edlozini lami enyanyeni zakithi ukuthi koko ngiyacela ngizocela usizo la ekhaya. Fana nanoma kuyocelwa ubuhlobo obuhle kubo ntombazane kuthiwe siyakhuleka, awufika uthi hi is there anyone home, ufike egedini cha, ngoba kufanele usuku wazi, ufanele uhlukanise ukuthi kahle kahle manje sengikhuluma nobani, manje ngiyakubani. ukuze into zakho zizokwazi ukuthi zikulungele. Abanye benu into zena zinilungelanga ngoba ithe mawufika awukwazanga ukuthi uthobele noma uhloniphe ledlozi oze kulona. Ngoba mina alone guys I cannot, angikwazi ukuthi ngikulaphe. Without my dlozi angisilutho futhi angeke ngize kube lutho. So you need to respect and uthobele ledlozi engihamba nalo. Makhosi amahle makhosi amakhulu bayede zingonyama. I hope siyazwana, thokozani.